What's up guys, we are back with another video. This week's video, we are featuring the Sporty. This is a 2007 883. It is bone stock in regards to motor. We've done nothing other than add some aesthetics, something to protect. But today the video is gonna be straightforward, it's quick. We got a package and we've been waiting for this for a little while. And so we have here, we have our Elite Moto clutch lever. I think the hardest thing about this was trying to figure out what color scheme we wanted. There was tons of ways we wanted to go. Here is the lever. Dope. This is the 2.5 finger length. I was thinking of doing one initially, but now that I have this here, it feels pretty good. And I mentioned that everything was stock. This in my hand now, I do remember, because we are running the Barnett extra plate clutch kit and it has a 15% stronger compression plate. I think that's what it is. And so I want to see if it's going to do anything noticeable. And I want to see how this pairs with that clutch kit. If I'm going to notice anything or if it's just how it is and it might just be an easier pull, who knows. But before we get started with that, I also got something else in the mail. Here is our tried and true race star. This is the Rolling Sands. We've had this for about 1.5 years. It went out with us to California. It's seen tons of miles. I still enjoy, I love the aerodynamics of this helmet. It's made it such a breeze, even on windy days. And I'm not 100% positive, but recently it's just slowly gotten a little more uncomfortable. But we decided, new year, let's go ahead and, browse around. And we are still gonna be wearing this. This is more than likely gonna be paired with the Sporty whenever we go practice. Now that that's out of the way, here is our other box. But that's gonna be the next video. We're gonna do an unboxing as well as getting it prepped, adding the Moto Vlog mount 2 in the front. What helmet do you think we picked up? Drop it down in the comment section below what helmet you think is in this box. Now let's install that lever. With the Elite Moto lever that we got, we did not get the mirror mount with it, so we will be losing this mirror and we will more than likely take off the other one because this is mostly just our practice bike for us to try and get somewhere with wheelies. First step, you want to remove your snap ring and this clutch bolt. The issue that we run into is our hand controls appear to be blocking part of what will be mounted. Now that you have it set, what you're going to do is just reset your clutch tension.